Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over a Donald Lawrence song, Deliver Me. It's going to be in the key of A flat. So this is a very simple song as there is only one progression which goes through the whole song. So you're going to start off playing this A flat pentatonic lick. It's E flat, F, A flat. So you can play it higher, start off with playing an A flat chord afterwards. Play it again, go to an A flat major 7 then. Okay, do it again. A flat dominant. Then you're going to play a little pentatonic lick here. It's just E flat, F, back to E flat, B flat to C, to B flat, to A flat. Okay, again. Then I like to play a D flat major 13 voicing. All right. And then you go to an F sharp 9. The little lick there is. Slur it a bit. Okay, let's do it again. Deliver me. Played it a little different there. Try it again. Alright, and there's two other nice things you can add in. Let's see. Deliver me. So in the beginning, you'll hear him play this lick over the D flat. He's adding an E flat chord. So when you're here on the D flat, think of playing an E flat chord. It's a little nice lick there. See, he goes da 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 da. So then go to that F sharp 9. That scale you can improv in. So it's an F sharp mixolydian. So when you're here playing the F sharp 7, all of these notes are in play for improvisation. Okay. And there's another little progression that you can add in. So basically, when you get here, you're here. So, Lord, deliver me. We're going to go to an E flat minor, which is the minor 5. Walk up to an F minor 7, to an F sharp, to an A flat 7, B flat. flat minor 7, A flat over C to the D flat. So, Lord, deliver me, because I just can't seem to stop hurting me. Hurting me. Alright, that was a brief run through of Deliver Me in A flat